seeking an imaginative way to help elementary school children grasp the core concepts behind computer programming and game design. The Scratch tutorial coding game app provides an ingenious and highly entertaining method for reinforcing these vital computational ideas through a whimsical, interactive environment. Learners must strategically assemble colorful code blocks to control characters and create actions, directly applying programming logic with speed and precision. The game's vibrant, appealing graphics and straightforward gameplay contribute to an inviting and captivating user journey from beginner to budding developer. While the current tutorial progression is well-paced, the option to skip ahead or revisit specific lessons more easily would enhance flexibility for varied learning paces. This educational resource, crafted with clear learning objectives in mind, undeniably stands as a splendid choice for fostering digital literacy. Supervising screen time supports healthy learning habits for all children. Try Scratch Tutorial coding game to make coding practice a truly delightful and insightful experience.